Hello from Slovenia again. I'm continuing with my series with glue pouring medium. I mix 70% glue, 30% water as my pouring medium, and then I mix my paints 1:1 with pouring medium, and then I dilute them with water. And today we will do some blowout. And I have my canvas on spinner because I kind of want to spin it out later, maybe, not sure yet. I have black for my, not base, because I will add black here and colors here to, I don't know, create some kind of a seascape. And I will use this 4-card color shift Aqua Flash. I have Amsterdam Sky Blue Light. I have this Gauty Deal, Chameleon Blue. I don't know, I never used that one. I have Extreme Sheen Decart, Extreme Sheen Deep Sapphire. I have this Maimieri Ultramarine Blue, and I have some Titanium White. And I will use this cordless USB charge hair dryer. So I will go with the colors here first, and I kind of want them like that. And I will do this once and then once more on top. I don't know, you will see, it's hard to explain what I'm thinking. We will see. This will even work. Want some white here. And now I will add my black. Okie doke. I will start here. And I need more color here, so I will just add. Now I will go with a little bit more. Like the effects, really do. Okay. air here to blow this off. I will spin this out a little bit. And I will go just a little bit to this side to maybe tilt, just spin a little bit more to that side. Yep. So here she is dry, and oh my God, she shines with all those metallics and aqua flash. The colors just go from dark to I just love it. I love it. I love how it looks on the wall when lights hits it. Just hard to show on camera. But she's really, really, really beautiful in my opinion. I like that it just there is not too much things. It just, I don't know. I just love it. I really do. As I said, there is some, when it was wet, what I find with glue, it's hard to maintain the shape of the cells. See how this part here looks kind of a grayish color, but it's not. So interesting. Yeah, they don't, it's hard to keep the shape of the cells, but if you are going for more abstract look, you can definitely use just glue. I love it, I really do. I wasn't sure how this will turn out. I was not. I thought that maybe there is too much things and there is too much stripes here, but at the end, that's why I leave it to dry. It turned out really gorgeous, and I think that the colors had a lot to do with it, because here is that aqua flash part that just gives the painting a character, or how can I say. So thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!